Someone asked about discomfort in hero pose, so let's explore a few ways to make it more comfortable.
Hero pose is traditionally called Virasana, and it's a great posture for opening the ankles, knees, and quads, but for some people it can feel intense at first. Hero pose is simply sitting between the heels with the knees bent and the tops of the feet resting on the floor. For some people, this feels very natural. But if you feel pressure in the feet, ankles, or knees, there are some easy ways to support the body. You can place a yoga block between the heels and sit on that. This elevates you and relieves some of the pressure off of the feet and the knees. You could also use a pillow or bolster if that feels more comfortable. Another option is placing a folded blanket under the ankles or feet to reduce pressure. These small supports can make the pose much more accessible. Rather than sitting completely still, I also like to explore gentle movement here. You might try small circular movements of the torso, sometimes called Sufi grinds, to bring mobility into the spine and hips. You can also explore a little spinal flexion and extension, similar to a seated cat-cow. Another option is gently shifting the hips or making slow pelvic circles, letting the movement come from the base of the spine. These kinds of subtle movements can help the body gradually soften into the shape rather than forcing it. You might stay here for a few breaths or continue exploring gentle movement in the pelvis and spine. Always move slowly and listen to what your body needs. This pose may not be suitable if you have significant knee injuries, ankle injuries, or severe joint pain. If anything feels sharp or uncomfortable in the knees or ankles, come out of the pose or add more support with props. And remember, yoga shapes are always adaptable. There's no need to push into a position that doesn't feel right for your body.
Another fun one is like this.
I hope this helps make hero pose feel more comfortable for you. And if you enjoy exploring gentle somatic movement practices like this, you can find deeper flows with me at heatherwild.com.